Hello traders, welcome back to this video. In today's video tutorial, I'm going to walk you step by step on how to make deposit into the XT exchange. And in our previous video, I already told you how or showed you step by step how to buy and sell crypto using the XT exchange. And in today's video tutorial, we want to focus on how to make a deposit. So if you don't have an XT exchange already, the link to sign up for an account will be in the video description, or you can check out my bio for that. And once you sign up for an account, the next thing you want to do is to verify your account, and then the next step is to make a deposit into the account. So what we need to do is, once you log into the ST Exchange app on your phone, I'm doing this using the mobile app, as you can see right here, you will see this button highlighted on the home page right here that says make a deposit. So if you go ahead and click on it, it brings you to this page where you can select the token that you want to deposit. Another way you can equally access that deposit option is to go to the asset option right here. So if you click on the asset option, it brings you here, and then you see the option to deposit. So click on the deposit option. Now once you click the deposit option right here, it gives you three different options to make your deposit. First is to deposit via crypto using another crypto platform, or you can deposit via P2P using the XT Exchange P2P marketplace. Remember that previous video where we talk about P2P trading on the ST Exchange? So that's how you can make a deposit into the ST Exchange. You can just buy USDT there, or buy any crypto asset of your choice, and then start using it to trade. And then the other option is to buy crypto using your bank card. This is for countries, specific countries where this is supported. You can equally do that. But in today's video, we're focusing on making a deposit via another crypto wallet. So we just go ahead and click on this first option that says I want to deposit crypto, then click on the deposit option. Once we do that, it will give us the option now to select the token we want to deposit. So you can deposit BTC, Ethereum, USDT, Solana, USDC. It goes on. There are hundreds of tokens right here that you can deposit, which is supported by the ST Exchange. But in this video tutorial, we want to make a deposit of USDT because we want to start using the ST Exchange to start trading futures and trade spot as well. So we'll just go ahead and click on USDT. Now, once you click on USDT, you have different networks in which you can make a deposit into the ST Exchange, right? So ERC20 is supported, BEP20 is supported, TRC20 is supported, Solana, Optimism, all of these different chains you see here are all supported. So make sure that the platform you are sending your crypto from equally supports any of this chain. So what I'm going to do is to select the BNB Smart Chain, which is the BEP20 option, and you can see it's highlighted here that this is the fastest and is equally the cheapest depending on the platform you are using to send. So I'm going to use the BNB Smart Chain BEP20 network. So click on it. Once you click on it, automatically an address will be generated for you. And once this address is generated for you, you just need to click on the copy option, and that address is successfully copied. And you can now go to the exchange you want to send your USDT from, and then select the same BNB Smart Chain network and send that USDT. And once you send it to this address, automatically that will be delivered and be made available on your XT Exchange, and you can now start using it to start trading or start buying and selling other crypto asset on the exchange. And once again, just to re-emphasize, make sure that you are sending this. If I'm sending USDT right here, make sure you're using the Binance. If you have selected Binance Smart Chain, which is the BEP20 here, make sure on whatever platform you're sending that crypto from, you're equally using the same network. If you use a different network, your crypto could be missing and you will lose that completely. So just copy this, send it to a friend, send it to a partner, send it to anybody you want to send, and I tell them this is the BEP20 address, and whatever funds they send to this BEP20 address, you will automatically receive that in your XT Exchange account, and you can use it to start trading. Right, so that is how you make a deposit into the XT Exchange using another crypto platform. I hope this video is helpful. If it is, smash that like button, and if you are new here, make sure you subscribe, like, and follow for more videos like this. And if you want to take advantage of all the free signals we share every day, the link to join us on Telegram will be in the video description, or you can check out my bio for that, where you get access to free signals and free educational resources. So that is it for this video, guys, and I'll see you in my next video.